Reach to the Shuiwei Market, you have to take the train from Fumin Station, line 4710 exit D, and then you shall drive into the market, or you can take from the port and then you walk around 1 to 3 kilometers to reach to the Shuiwei Market. Or there, you can now start trying the food like this guy here. As for me, I have to wait and see how they are making these things. So here is what I saw, how they make these things. My Chinese was not that good, so I did not ask actually what he was adding. I was just watching and recording, waiting for him to finish so that I can test it. So I did not have to ask. I just recorded and sat there and watched him do the magic. Then later on he served me and then I tried it. You can see here, finally, I think they are now ready. So I waited, he put some into this bucket and put something. Okay, I did not ask, and then I started testing it. Yeah, you can look, this is how it is. So after that, I went to this second place where they were cooking these things. The problem is I did not even know the name. I just heard it. They were saying it in Chinese, so I did not understand, but it is so hard to say it. And then I moved to the other location. I saw this wonderful. Okay, they were making so many things here in the market. If you can come by yourself, you will experience a lot of food here. And they look amazing. So they can prepare for you while you are there, and then you can hit or test and take away, just like in the Western world where you just take away. So it was really amazing. So I enjoyed all the time there in the market, looking at all the food and trying them. So most of the time I was just recording. I did not test it. So I recorded, then later on I started testing it. Since I have never tried some shrimps, so I went to the place where they prepare these shrimps, and then I wanted to test them. They were making them right on the street, so I have to wait and then test them. Then I went to where they make. I asked the name for that food. They did not tell me, so I have to tell them to prepare for me, and then they place in this plate and with some noodles. So this is how it looked like at the end. After that, so I started to film all through the streets with these amazing shops around. So after finishing to film around the market, I went to this other place, they were making this meal. I didn't know the name, so I just recorded it. Then I went to the street. And that was it. I hope if you come to this market, you can tell me what you liked and what you enjoyed eating. There's a lot of things you can try out. Peace out.